Hi, it's Sarah Traditions. I just wanted to show you these amazing candles from Magnolia Home that just arrived. We've been waiting 6 months to get these candles in. It's a line from Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper. It's her own candle line, Magnolia Home. The packaging is adorable. We have the glass jar, which I love, but look how cute these little craft bags are. Make a wonderful hostess gift. This one is garden. The scents are amazing too. Love and Dwell, one of my top 2 favorites. I also love these little tins. Look how adorable they are. Perfect little gifts. Come in, pick up a couple for yourselves, and for little hostess gifts, the Magnolia Home Candles are in. Come check it out. Can't wait to see you.